Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple, practical, and always easy to follow. In this video, I will show you how to change your DNS settings on your Android phone to Google DNS. A small tweak that can actually make your internet faster, safer, and more reliable. Here's what we will cover. What is DNS? How to open Wi-Fi settings on your Android. How to modify your network settings safely. How to set Google DNS. So if you have ever experienced websites loading slowly, Wi-Fi working on other devices but not on yours, or random connection drops, this video might just solve it for you. Before we dive in, make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Let's jump right in. Step 1. What is DNS? First, let's talk about what DNS actually is, because understanding why you are changing it makes the process much clearer. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the phone book of the internet. When you type a website name like www.youtube.com, your device translates that name into a numerical IP address so it can connect to the right server. DNS does that translation for you. By default, your internet service provider gives you its own DNS. Those default DNS servers can be slow or unreliable sometimes. Google DNS is a free public DNS service that is often faster and more reliable. Switching to it can give you faster page loads, fewer lookup errors, and some protection against malicious sites. Alright, ready to change it? Let's go! Step number 2. Open Wi-Fi settings. Unlock your Android phone. Swipe down from the top to open the quick menu and tap the gear icon to open settings. Look for connections or network and internet, depending on your phone. Then tap Wi-Fi. You will see available networks. Select the one you are connected to. It should say connected or have a check mark. If you are following along, pause here and make sure you are inside the Wi-Fi settings for your active network. Step number 3. Modify the network. Tap the network you are connected to. Depending on your phone, you might tap Manage Network Settings, Advanced, or a pencil icon next to the Wi-Fi name. Look for IP settings. It is usually set to DHCP by default. Change IP settings to static. Don't panic. We are only changing the DNS fields. When you switch to static, more fields appear. IP address, gateway, network prefix, and DNS. Only edit the DNS fields. If you change the IP address or gateway incorrectly, your connection could stop working. Step number 4. Set Google DNS. Now find the DNS fields. For DNS1, type 8.8.8.8. For DNS2, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers. After entering them, tap Save or Apply. Your Wi-Fi might reconnect briefly. That is normal. Once reconnected, your phone will use Google DNS instead of the default provider DNS. Step number 5. Test your connection. Open your browser and visit a few websites you frequently use. Maybe YouTube, Google, or news sites. You may notice a slightly faster page load or fewer DNS lookup errors. If anything doesn't work, go back into the Wi-Fi settings and double-check you only changed the DNS fields. And there you have it. You have successfully switched to Google DNS on your Android device. A small change, but you might be surprised how much faster and more stable your connection feels after this simple tweak. If your browsing loads quicker or your apps respond better, then congratulations! Your settings are working exactly the way they should. At Wireless Solutions, we create easy, step-by-step guides to help you get the most out of your phone without needing to be a tech expert. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions. It is a simple way to support the channel, and it motivates us to keep producing helpful videos for everyone. Also, if you tried this and noticed a difference, or if you have any questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience and help if you need more troubleshooting tips. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. We've got some simple tricks coming up to make your phone faster, smarter, and easier to use, one setting at a time. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.